Your new go-to card. Capture seamless 4K videos on your compatible phone or drone with this microSD memory card. Expanded storage gives you freedom to play more high-performance, intensive games on your tablet or gaming device, as well as extra memory for your GoPro. Take your burst shot. Stunningly fast U3, Class 10 rated read-write speeds up to 160/120ths of a megabyte per second. Let you shoot more photos faster. Squared and 4K videos look sharp with USI interface. Add space, keep it all. Huge capacities of 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB give you plenty of storage space for high-res photos, must-have apps, and all the media you want. Get extra drone memory that will allow you to record high-quality footage on your DJI drone, store it, and transfer it between devices. You're fully protected. The Pro Plus takes on life's adventures with water cubed, temperature to the power of 4, X-ray to the power of 5, magnet to the power of 6, drop to the power of 7 and wear out to the power of 8 protection, backed by a 10-year limited warranty. Performance and reliability you can count on from one flash memory brand to the power of 9. All firmware and components are produced in-house. Top reviews from the United States. Great A2 rated speed. Samsung, in various professional reviews and tests, makes some of the most durable and high-performance flash products. They almost always outperform their competitors, including SanDisk, at a given price point. And they can often have around 3 times the write durability. If you're using a card for any sort of random read-write access, such as in a laptop, Steam Deck, Raspberry Pi, etc., you want an A2 rated card, as they're around twice as fast as an A1 card. And, for the money, I think is one of the best A2 cards available right now. You don't need this card for taking pictures, shooting video, etc. Where an A1 card will perform just as well. And you should get an endurance card for a dash cam, security cam, or other write-intensive applications.